Aberration. Aberration means something that is not normal. Let's say COVID-19, coronavirus. Did you ever think of such a virus? Nobody, right? And therefore nobody, got to have any sort of preparation. So COVID-19 is to be called an aberration. It doesn't happen normally. We cannot even expect this to happen on a regular basis. Let's say every after 5 years or 10 years. No. It's a rare thing that comes up all of a sudden, unexpectedly. Alright? So, that's it. When a behavior gets to be deviant, alright, from the normal way of its norm, then you call it an aberration. Like in a meeting, all of you, let's say you were with your bosses and other senior staff. You are supposed to be serious, bosses are supposed to be serious as well. If you see like one of your bosses and you got to stand up and started crying, it's not something you see, on a regular basis. It doesn't happen. Just because it doesn't happen and it's not a regular phenomenon, therefore you call it an aberration. Alright?